we are going to fix a, what do you call this? Brake pads.
Brake pads.
Right, and here's our cameraman. Here's our pomochnik. You ready?
Wait.
You gonna do this?
Yes, ready.
You got this?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for it. Right, first thing we have here, we have a jack. We have the four-way. We have some brake cleaner, some bolt loosener, and we're going to loosen this tire.
Dad.
Pull. Just pull from the same top, on the top. You got it loose. Keep going from there. Keep going. There you go. Got it. All right, you keep pumping. Pump. Good.
Hey.
One of the things is to keep the tire on the ground while you break the lug nuts loose. You usually want to put something behind the tire so it doesn't roll. So we got to find something to chalk the back tires. Okay. Let's go find like a brick, like a big brick.
I know where a brick is.
Okay.
Yes. Wait. Right.
Okay, let me touch it. I got the gloves on, okay? All right, we still have a little bit of life left in these pads, so we're gonna let those go for a moment, and we're gonna take the back tire off.
Stray dog.
And we're gonna see how the back ones look. All right, you want to take, when you're tightening, when you loosen them up, you want to go in a star pattern. So you want to loosen, you tighten this one, and then this one, this one, this one, this one. You don't want to go all the way around, you want to do a star pattern when you tighten up your, we call lug nuts. Now we're going to get a torque wrench. Grab that torque wrench out of that bag. Yep, get that guy.
Oh, heavy.
I'm going to torque him down.